Honestly, printing with all those wires is such a hassle. Bringing those old-fashioned yet so useful OTG cables is annoying too. Although with your non-wireless printer, you can still able to print something you wish with a single click. Today, we shall guide you on how to print through your phone without using an OTG cable. Follow my cursor. Requirements. 1. You need to have a PC connected to your printer. Assuming that this output device doesn't have an inbuilt Wi-Fi. With PC, we will share it with a local private network to make it detectable on your mobile phone. 2. Your PC and your phone must share the same network to make your printer discoverable. 3. Download the NoCo Print app from the description. This app lets you use the devices shared in the local network. Now follow these steps in your PC to share your printer across a local network. Make sure to do the exact settings. After doing everything, you can open NoCo Print and perform wireless printing. Note, your PC should be turned on while the printing is performed. Now print whatever documents you want seamlessly. Thank you. Like and subscribe for more.